Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, for the first you have to enter the settings. Right now scroll down to enter General Management, click on the language and input, go for the on-screen keyboard, and right now you have to choose the keyboard that you are using. In my case it is the Samsung keyboard. Enter the style and the layout, and right now we have to tap on the keyboard themes right here, and we can change it between these four options. I will stay with the dark, and if this option is not available on your smartphone, it's probably because the dark mode is turned on. As you can see, when I turn on the dark mode, I cannot enter this option. So all you have to do, just turn it off, and it will be available. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.